Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to join Scratch and run the program. Steps to join Scratch. First step is to go to the website google.ae and write Scratch in the search inbox. So I will go to the Google website. Okay. And I will write here Scratch. I will click the first link here that I find. Then the second step, I will press join, this one. Here we have to follow what I am doing. So you have to create a username and don't use your real name. So you can invent any name that you like. For example, programmer of the year. I selected this username and I select a strong password containing capital letters, small letters, special symbols, numbers, and let's see, username taken. So what can we use? Programmer Rima 2021. Let's see. Next. I save. Then I answer the question. What country? So UAE. Here, United Arab Emirates, and I press next. You enter the year that you were born, any year, and you press next. What is your gender? And you press next. Then you write your email, okay, of the school. For example, rima.farouk at dnsalbersha.com, and you create the account. So I will create dnsalbersha.com. Oh, there is a mistake here. Dot, and I create. My account is ready now. Welcome to Scratch Programmer Rima. I will get started. Okay, great. Now I will start creating by pressing create. And here is the interface of the Scratch. What can you see in the interface of the Scratch program? Here to the left, you can see the language. On top, next to it, you can save the project. See here, I can select my language, English, for example. Here I can save to my computer or load from my computer. Next, here I can write the name of the project that I want. So back, let me create again. Okay, so here you can write the name of the project, my first project. Okay, here you can switch view between code, costumes, and sounds. Also down you have many blocks. You can see you have the motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, events block, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. Your code, for example, if I am using the looks, I can see my code in this area. Your code will appear on this area. And when you run the program, you run it using this green flag, and you stop it using the stop here, and your running program will appear on this area in the place of the cat. So your program will run here. If you want to switch to full screen, so you click on this. Okay, exit the full screen using escape. Here you can select the backdrop, add a backdrop, change a sprite, select the sprite, يعني picture, zoom using zoom, and you can add extensions like the pen or microbit. Okay, so we talked about the green flag is a programming feature that when clicked will start all the scripts in that project that are hatted with the when green flag clicked block. More simply, this block starts the project. And the stop button also will stop the project, the running project immediately. It can be clicked at any time during the project. Okay, we will try to solve this activity, looks blocks. So I will try to use the looks blocks. So I will click here, and the first block is say hello for 5 seconds. So I drag say hello for 2 seconds and I change the number 2 to 5. And then I will take think, this one, for 2 seconds, and I will change this one, what will I do after school? What I will do after school for 5 seconds. Switch costumes to colon 2. So I will take switch costume to colon 2, and here is my code. I use the looks code. Okay, thank you for listening.